Lexus ES300H. In this car I will show you, this is hybrid car. I will show you where is the hybrid control unit location. Okay, see, this is the car. This is hybrid engine room. This is hybrid system. I will show you where is this hybrid control unit location. This is engine control unit for engine bus, and hybrid control unit is another one, and location is here. You can see here, you can see under the steering wheel. Remove this cover, okay, and then you can find out with fuse box here. This one, this is hybrid control unit location. See, here is the fuse box, and this is hybrid control unit location. This is hybrid control unit. Okay, I will show you. See, hybrid control unit. This one. Okay, thank you.